The Cobra, a powerful magnetic drill light enough for work on site as well as in the workshop. Powered by a mighty 1400-watt motor, the Cobra will drill holes up to 65mm by 50mm deep, held in place by an impressive 1200 kilograms magnetic adhesion. The list of features for this machine include integrated magnet and motor controls, through-spindle coolant fed from an automatic coolant bottle, a 2-speed gearbox and stepless speed reduction, all protected by comprehensive safety features.